Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we dive into the world of wooden log shelf ideas, the perfect blend of rustic charm and functional design. Whether you're looking to add a touch of nature to your living room, create a cozy farmhouse vibe in your kitchen, or organize your space with a unique statement piece, wooden log shelves offer endless possibilities. Their raw, organic look showcases the natural beauty of wood, from intricate grain patterns to charming knots, making each shelf truly one of a kind. In this video, we'll explore a variety of creative log shelf designs, from floating shelves with live edges to sturdy wall-mounted units, and freestanding rustic bookcases. You'll discover how different types of wood, like oak, pine, and cedar, can influence the overall style, and we'll share tips on arranging these shelves to complement your decor. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic or a bold, nature-inspired statement, these ideas will spark your imagination and help you transform your space. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get inspired with some stunning wooden log shelf ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative home decor tips. A wooden log shelf is a versatile and timeless piece of furniture that seamlessly blends functionality with natural aesthetics. It brings a touch of rustic charm to any space, whether it's a cozy cabin, a modern minimalist apartment, or a farmhouse-style home. The unique appeal of a wooden log shelf lies in its raw, organic look that highlights the natural patterns, knots, and grains of the wood. Each log used to create a shelf carries its own story, shaped by the elements over time, adding character and warmth to the room. Wooden log shelves come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, allowing for endless customization options. Some shelves maintain the natural curvature and bark of the logs, while others may be sanded and polished for a smoother, more refined appearance. The choice of wood species also influences the final look and durability of the shelf. Popular options include oak, pine, cedar, and walnut, each offering distinct colors and grain patterns. Oak, for instance, is known for its strength and rich hues, while cedar adds a pleasant aroma and natural resistance to insects. One of the greatest advantages of a wooden log shelf is its sturdiness. Solid wood, especially when sourced from mature trees, provides remarkable strength and longevity. These shelves can hold a variety of items, from books and plants to decorative pieces and kitchenware. Depending on the intended use, the thickness and size of the logs can be adjusted to ensure they support the desired weight without compromising on style. Craftsmanship plays a crucial role in the creation of wooden log shelves. Artisans often use traditional woodworking techniques, including mortise and tenon joints, to enhance both the durability and visual appeal of the piece. Some designs incorporate live edge elements, where the natural shape of the tree trunk is preserved along the shelf's edges, creating a striking contrast between rustic and refined design elements. Additionally, modern innovations have introduced floating log shelves, which use hidden brackets or metal supports to give the illusion of the shelf hovering on the wall. This design adds a contemporary twist to the traditional log shelf. The versatility of wooden log shelves makes them suitable for various rooms in a home. In a living room, they can serve as bookshelves or display platforms for art and family photos. In the kitchen, they offer open storage for spices, dishes, and cookware, creating a cozy, country-inspired atmosphere. Bedrooms benefit from log shelves as nightstands or additional storage for personal items, while bathrooms can use them for neatly organizing towels, toiletries, and candles. The appeal of wooden log shelves extends beyond residential spaces. They have found their place in commercial settings as well, adding warmth and character to cafes, boutiques, and offices. In retail environments, log shelves create eye-catching product displays, while in workspaces, they offer practical storage with a touch of nature-inspired design. The blend of raw materials with modern functionality resonates with contemporary design trends that emphasize authenticity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. A wooden log shelf is much more than a simple storage solution. It embodies the perfect balance of form and function, merging natural beauty with practical use. With endless design possibilities, eco-friendly appeal, and enduring strength, these shelves add a unique and personal touch to any space. Whether left rustic or polished to perfection, a wooden log shelf is a timeless addition that celebrates the charm of nature and the art of woodworking. And that wraps up our exploration of wooden log shelf ideas. As we've seen, these shelves are not just practical storage solutions, they are stunning design elements that bring a natural, rustic touch to any space. Whether you prefer the raw, unpolished look of live-edge logs or the sleek charm of sanded and stained wood, there's a style for everyone. Remember, wooden log shelves can elevate any room, from cozy living rooms and farmhouse kitchens to modern bathrooms and creative workspaces. Plus, with so many customization options, you can truly make them your own by playing with shapes, finishes, and even mixing materials like metal brackets or leather straps. If you're feeling inspired, don't hesitate to start your DIY project or find the perfect shelf that fits your home's aesthetic. And most importantly, Have fun adding that personal, nature-inspired touch to your decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on more creative home design ideas. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share which wooden log shelf idea was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.